Hello, good morning everyone. Our team is Cookies. Okay, let me introduce ourselves. Let me first introduce the two ladies on my side. Okay, this side here, this lady is called Fiona, and then this lady over here is Ayuni, and of course myself, Yichuan. Alright, so we are students from Technical Diploma in Hospitality and Hotel Management. So as you can see here, we have all the products here. Okay, these are the products we'll be selling at InnoBox at level 4. Alright, so as you can see, let the camera slowly show off the items. Yeah, there you go. You have this, and we have this. Alright, so now let's first show off each items one by one. Okay, and then I'll also tell you the pricings, and also I'll tell you more on where you can find us. Alright, so let's first look at our first product. As you can see here, very classic pineapple tart. Alright, pineapple tart, yeah, pineapple tart. And you can see this is our logo, Cookies, very adorable little cookie. Alright, right. So I mean, we are selling food, right? So we need to try and show it's nice. Okay, this, if you are wondering, the cookies are made by me. Okay, so if you are so of course these two ladies, they are not the one making it, so they wouldn't know what the taste will be like. So let them try. Yeah. So show you live reaction of the food. Okay, so here you go. Try one. Come, try one. There you go. Try one here. Alright. So I'll take one just to show you how it looks like. Okay, come, camera, zoom in, please. Can see pineapple tart. Can see? Yeah, see, you can see. So what was it? Nice? Nice. How about you? Is it nice?
Yes, very
How's right? Yeah, it's soft and it's acidic inside and sweet. Normal pineapple tart. Okay. Now you're probably wondering, how much is one container? Well, it's very, very cheap. Okay. Outside, you go buy one container, how much? I think like $6, $7, or even some of them are the branded ones they cheat your money, like they sell you like what, $10 one container. For us, it's just $4. $4. It's pretty cheap. Okay, and you are getting, just saying, right, the recipes here, right, is ours, our own recipe, our own student recipes. So it's unique. So something for you to look forward to try. Again, I suggest you trying it. Okay. So where you can buy it at level 4 InnoBox. Yes. Right. So let's move on to the next item. I think this one is something that a lot of people actually is quite a very fast selling item. It's our tiramisu. Right. Camera, please. Right. You can see the tiramisu. A few layers. You can see. There. See a few layers. 2 layers, in fact. All right. So again, this tiramisu is being sold by in containers. If you're wondering how much it is, it's $5. $5 per box. Okay. So if you're interested, you can always buy it from InnoBox level 4. Okay. So of course, again, you gotta try the items, right? So of course, let's have these two ladies try the items. Come, let's try. So tell the camera how good it tastes. Yeah. Yeah, so tell them what's the flavor you're getting.
Very strong taste of coffee, but it's not too overpowering, and it's very creamy and soft. It's perfect.
Yeah. So this is made by the founder of this group, Barnabas. Shout out to you, Barnabas. Alright. So for a person who don't typically like eating something that's very, very sweet, it's something that you might want to try if you're not a very big sweet tooth kind of person, but you're also looking for something that is sweet. Then that's something perfect for you. Tiramisu. Okay, $5. Okay, let's move on to the next item. Okay, this is our Crispies. These are made from our rice crisp, made out of fruity pebbles and marshmallows. Okay, this is it's actually might look very soft, but it's actually quite crunchy. So let me show you a demonstration. Okay, yeah. So this you see this thing here? Okay, the mic. If you're wondering where the mic is, it's right here. I let you listen. Okay, listen. Okay, can you see or not? Can you hear it right? It's that crunchy. So if you're wondering what it tastes like, okay, I give you live performance. I like live, huh? It's crispy. I can't really do just this, but it's very nice. Okay? It's made by our group member, Logesh. Shout out to you. Okay? So you're wondering how many is inside? It's 5 inside in one pack. Okay? If you're wondering how much it is, it's $3. It's very cheap. Okay? Okay? Just to remind you, okay, these items here are limited in stock. Once it's sold out, no more anymore. So if you want to buy it, I highly suggest you going to level 4 at InnoBox. Okay? Limited time, remember, okay? So let's move on to our last item. Our chocolate cookies. Of course, come on. Our group name is cookies, okay? Clearly, you need to have cookies. Or else it doesn't make sense, right? So, of course, we make chocolate cookies. Okay, chocolate cookies. See? Chocolate cookies. So, again, you know what? Because I think you probably think that they are like, my two ladies here are like planted here, right? I'll get someone that is inside the room right now that I do not know to try this item. Alright? Wait. Sure.
How do you get him? Actually, I'm not here. You have a real person test, must really prepare in advance, it's not face it.
Yeah, it's okay, come, just come. Yes, come.
You must, if you turn sound really just. Just was you.
Okay, now camera. So this guy, I do not know this guy, huh? Okay, get the cookie. Okay, look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Wow.
How does it taste like? Good or not? Nice or not? Yeah. See. Speechless. Okay, speechless. Okay. Now, okay, let's go back. So now you're wondering how much is this thing? It's also it's also selling for $4. Alright? So these are the items they are selling. So if you're wondering again where you can find us, it's at level 4 InnoBox. Okay? If you're wondering which block is it, it's the block right the same block as Eco. Okay? So go there. So let's look at the chat. Yeah. Okay. So again, if you're wondering where we are from, okay, let me repeat again. We're technical diploma students from hospitality and hotel management. Okay, we are just here to sell items here. Okay, again, if you want to buy InnoBox level 4. Okay, so if you want to find us, our social media. Okay, our moderator will be sending in the link of our social media, our Instagram. So if you want, you can have a look at our Instagram. Right. So again, remember the items all here are limited in stock. Once it's gone forever. Okay, it's only for today and today only. Okay, especially you want to try, especially tiramisu. I recommend. I can vouch for the tiramisu. Damn good. Okay, it's damn good. Okay, this is the crispies are also quite fast selling also, but the tiramisu is the best. Okay, so you should try getting them. If you don't come here fast enough, it's gonna be gone. It's gonna be gone. Trust me, believe one. Yeah, it's gonna be gone. Also, of course, buy the cookies. No, it's by me. So the cookies, pineapple tart. Okay. We also have limited item also. It's not showcased here, but we also have brownies. So our brownies is also selling for $5. Okay. These brownies are also limited in stock. Yes. Yeah. So I hope you guys come to level 4, InnoBox, block 1. Okay, to buy our items. Alright, and that, let's see if I'll check or any questions or not. Let's look at it. Yeah. If you're wondering, we only accept cash and pay now. So if you want, you have to go to the booth to buy. Okay. If you're wondering if we have any online delivery, you don't have. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Anyway. Thank you, and I hope to see you guys at InnoBox. Right. Goodbye.
Hello and good morning to everyone. My name is Nabil,
I'm Hayden.
and we are from the AI Storybook team from Electronics Engineering. So let me ask you a question.
Are you a student, teacher, or are you stuck on a certain project?
If you are, then let us introduce you to
This book.
So
Now you might be thinking, isn't this just a normal book like any other?
well, the short answer is yes, it is just like a normal book. However, unlike any other books which has two main components, the story itself, this book consists of three. And the main one that is different would be this page, the informative page. So what this informative page holds is that it consists of information where students or teachers could use in order to gain a tidbit of knowledge. So the purpose of this book would be that to show that books should have a better purpose. See, think of novels that many have read, such as Harry Potter. They do not have much things. All you do is read it, and it's mainly just for entertainment itself. And you go through it, and after you're done, you realize that you don't get much knowledge or usable information from for your studies or even your projects. So we believe that every book should have a bigger and nicer purpose. See, this book, as I've said earlier, is filled with information. And as you can see here, Guardians of Green, it is the topic on green and sustainability. So reason why we picked green and sustainability is that many topics nowadays talk about global warming and also ways to solve the earth and fix whatever situation they are facing. So if you we feel like this book, unlike any other books that you've read, would serve as a purpose to understand and appreciate everything. And also, this book, if you do not know, we made it. If you're asking, we made it with AI. So as you can see over there, the eight chapters that we've created in each book is generated by AI called Party Rocks. We have partnered together with AWS to be able to use their AI and generate the 8 or 9 different chapters, with each chapter containing a picture, story, and also the informative page itself. All this compiled together, we're able to create the second book here, Into the Toxic Tide. So now let's talk about the price.
We believe that information should be affordable and easy to access for everyone. And with that in mind, we have decided to price the digital books at $5 each. Just $5, okay? This is much cheaper than the normal textbooks, which are much more heavy and much more expensive that everyone normally buys. And if you still think that $5 is still too much for one book, we have a bundle going on right now where it consists of both book 1 and book 2 for a total of $10, but it also comes with a discount of 10% off, which is going on and lasts until the 31st of August right now. And so, to buy our books, please you can scan the QR code right here, or you can search us up online on online selling platforms like eBay and Carousel. Just search up on either AI Storybook or Guardians of the Green, and you'll find us there.
Yes, so do note that each book we are selling is not this actual book itself. See, I know you might be thinking, why are you not selling this book even though you've printed it out? Because as what my friend Hayden have said, we believe that every knowledge should come from your pocket itself, as easy as it should be. So we decided to make all the book digital. So just fill in your information, your email, and pay the correct prices. And with that, you'll be able to expect a book within 1 or 2 days, and you're able to enjoy it through your email files. And now I'm sure some of you have some questions. So,
we're here to answer them. Hi, I'm Josiah. So, Nabil, so many of the viewers have many questions, so I think we can just slowly go through some of the questions, alright? So the first question is, actually, who is the author?
So the author is actually my group and I. So we spent countless nights together trying to experiment with the Party Rocks AWS, and with that we're able to create this first and second book fantastically. So I would say the author would be the team effort together.
Okay, so another question from the viewers is actually, so now that you actually have created these 2 books, right? So how long does it take to create each book?
See, let's just say this. If you would want to create a book itself, to compile together a group, like there's 5 of us, it would take about 3 months to create each book. So one book would take 3 months. So honestly, we recommend you go out there and experience the joy of creating a book itself. Of course, it will take about quite some time, but with the assistance of AI, you can create your own fantasies and also your very own story out there.
Okay, another question from the viewers is, okay, let's just say they were to purchase a book, like the digital copy of the book. Would they be able to share it around, or would they have to just like go ask your friends to buy another copy?
Yeah. We believe that not only information should be easy to access. See, when it's easy to access means you can ask around for it. Information should be passed around and shared across many people. So, like a book where you can pass them physically, this makes it a lot easier. You can just send them a file that you have bought, and then you can share it with your friends, your families, your children, or maybe even your students. It's not expensive. It's only $5 each, and well, it's cost effective and not as expensive as a typical math textbook and such.
Okay, another question. Oh, this is an interesting one. Will there be any copyright issues with using generative AI in making the storybook?
Yes. Of course, we have did a bit of our research already. So, as of August 2023, we have done our research that AI-generated information or context is not able to be copyrighted from the companies or the software itself. And we have also learned from our school here in ITE that about AI ethics and the code of conduct that we should follow. So as we did these 2 different books, we decided to adhere to the code of conduct from the for the book itself, and do not trespass any unwanted things to cause a copyright claim or anything else.
Okay, so another question can be, so how long does it typically take to actually just finish reading the books? And if it's a short amount of time, is it rereadable? Is it still easily rereadable? Yeah.
See, As I said, the main focus of this book itself is information. We believe that information should be easy to get and all that. So this book, as you can see, the physical copy itself is very short. So you can read through it in a breeze, and I'd say you can finish it in probably a day or two. And you can even reread it like a few times, and who knows, you might even pick out some ideas from the fictional story itself. We have some ideas for innovators to create from the story itself, although it's not been invented in real life yet. And if you talk about accessibility in information, as I've said before, at the end of every chapter, there would be an informative page. From there, you're able to get the information that you desire, such as solar power and also water filtration.
Okay, and now we know there are many more questions that need to be answered. However,
there's not enough time that we have left. So do check in with our, do scan this QR code or check us in our selling platforms to purchase your own book. And if you have any other questions, you can look for us in Instagram or Facebook and even TikTok to look for our daily updates or even look for what we are up to.
yeah.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Okay, then